Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the transfer case oil on this 2010 Honda Pilot. Okay, jack up the car, put it up in jack stands, or put it up in rams. Get yourself a 3/8 inch ratchet, drain pan, a pump to pump the fluid. If you don't have that, maybe one of these guys will work. Now to find the drain plug, just go down, straight down the middle of the car. And first thing you're going to find is this drain plug. That's for the transmission. Don't do that. And you're gonna come here, that's the transfer case, and that's your drain plug right here. But before you take that one off, make sure you could take this one off. That's the fill plug. And you know you got the right one because it says gear oil on it, okay? Put your wrench on it. Now, this is a small wrench. It might be too small to get enough leverage. Put a pipe on it. If you can't break it loose, you could put a pipe on it or get yourself a 3/8 inch breaker bar. So try that. All right, guys, the pipe I was using was too long. It was hitting the floor. So, well, you could use this a socket big enough to fit in here. And I'm using a small extension. So. All right, that's broken loose. This one, you could do the same thing. That wasn't too bad. Okay, check your owner's manual to see what kind of oil you need. This is a 2010 model, so it needs high-power gear oil, a 90 weight, GL4 or GL5, okay? All right, guys, that didn't even take a quart of oil to do. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.